Today let's talk a little bit about the RC electronics and finally finish my Tamiya TT01 build and set it ready to run. Let's go. So let's talk first about the RC electronics. You need the basic 6 things to make an RC car running are the motor. I have the Tamiya torque tuned 540 motor, a servo for the steering that is already on my chassis, a speed controller, a battery because you need power, a receiver and a transmitter. That's all you need to make the car running in terms of electronics. So let's set it up. This is the Tamiya stock speed controller. So it had 3 motor wires because in some cases they can use this for brushless systems, but this ESC it's set up for brushed motors, so we only use 2 wires. Let's put the on-off switch of the speed controller on the chassis. Now we have an on-off switch to turn on or off our car. Now let's install the receiver. This little piece, it's what makes the communication between your transmitter and your car. So let's apply some double tape. In this receiver we have 6 channels. So channel 1 is for the servo, and channel 2 it's for the speed controller, it's the throttle. Now let's install the battery. So we need the battery and the battery holder. I put this piece of rubber to make the battery a bit more stiff on the chassis. So let's go. So the electronics are completed on the car. Now we just need to make some cable management. After some adjustments, the chassis is ready. So before you run, you have to bind your receiver with your transmitter. To do that, you need the bind jumper. Connected the bind jumper on the bind pins, so it's up the 6th channel, like that. And in your transmitter you have the bind button, press it and turn it on. It will make the bind setup. So you just have to turn on now, and it's done. You can remove it. Here. And now for the final step, you need to calibrate your ESC with the receiver to set the eye point. That will define the max speed of throttle and the reverse. So to do that, you power on your transmitter, hold the set button on the ESC, and turn on the power. It will start blinking, and when you see red, you release the set button and press it again, just one tap. It's on the eye point setup. Now you apply the full throttle and hold it and press the set button. Now the max brake and hold it and press the set button again. And it's done. Now you have the maximum throttle and the maximum reverse calibrated. And it's ready to go. So see you next time.